laundry here. Recreation back there, you know, you put a gym back there, home theater. Medium storage. So here, I guess, is where you would say this is like a primary living area. Moment, as you can see, they have this as little gym area, but you can also just make it a little seating area. That's the first home office in there. This would be this primary suite up here.
Very nice, yeah, very nice.
Yeah, I mean, it really just needs someone to put their own touch on it. Now, if we want to repaint, here's the my favorite room. Nice, beautiful skylight up there. So to the right, you have another, I guess, that'll be your fourth bedroom. The biggest of the bedrooms. You want to make this a private house. Have someone or maybe a paint job, but that's it. Yeah, Chris, how much did they put it? How much did they put it in the place?
They put new HVAC too. You see that downstairs?